nice. You press the gas and it goes.
Inline.
What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to Beemer Fam. We got quite an exciting video today. But before we get into it, I just sprayed off my M5. We're gonna get out this noisy area and we're gonna get on the road and meet up with the boys. Big body. These guys are about to just jet off the line. Watch this. AMG drivers, man. Oh my god. Damn. It sounds like a race circuit out here, man. Oh shit.
Rip it.
That Mozzie. Just ate some food, man. That was delicious. Your boy is full now, but now we are back with the cars. I know you guys want to see some of these cars up close, so that's exactly what we're gonna do. Jason's GLE is sounding ridiculous, man. You'd think he had a whole family and kids, a wife and everything, but this man is single, y'all. He's got this thing, straight pipe looking like a beast. I'm an M5 looking beautiful, dirty. Q's Mozzie looking like, oh, like jewelry. Car specific I want to show you guys is the 7 Series.
That's
Hey.
just glue. Just so people know, like I didn't hit or anything.
What's everything you've done to this thing, man?
Oh,
It's
man.
obviously not stock.
I can tell you everything about this car.
Okay.
It's fast. It's
So
quick. It's got
very nice. You press the gas and it goes.
inline. So first of all, we've got tints and custom headlights. You won't find these on any other 7 Series. We've got 20-inch Wasson-Reed Bridgestone Potenzas, and it's lowered on H&R springs. Inside, if you look up, I've got the Starlight headliner.
Wow.
Yeah, at nighttime you can see it more.
Got the Rolls Royce vibe.
Yes, sir.
TVs on the back.
Yep. It's got custom leather carpets with the diamond cut.
Look at the TV.
Tinted taillights, and all of this was chrome. This was chrome. The exhaust tips and the diffuser is from a 760, and the spoiler is custom. That's about it. I just wanted to make it look good and, you know, make it look stock but still like tasteful mods.
Shit, you did it.
So yeah, it looks beautiful.
And the paint is like, what is this? What color
It's,
black? Carbon? It's not carbon black, is it?
No, carbon black is a little darker.
A little darker.
This one is deep sea blue metallic.
Oh,
That's what they
wow.
call it. It's when I got it, it was one of my favorite colors, you know.
I don't think I've ever seen it on the 7.
Yeah.
So what's your other car for people who don't know?
The AMG, you guys see that? I've got a couple other cars, Acura, for daily driving, and that's about it.
Is lavish approved?
Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Put the stamp and seal it, bro. It has the Starlight headliner.
Yeah.
I want to do that on mine, man.
One day we got to get this car and your car together.
Yeah, that's for
Kinda
sure.
just
Yeah.
compare. Because old versus new, 10-year
I
different,
know.
really.
Yeah, almost.
Yeah.
All right, so now we're back in the M5, and we're just cruising, man. We're enjoying the day. We don't really have a destination in mind. I think we're gonna go get some coffee, just get the cars on the road again. Yeah, just see where the day takes us.
Yeah, he got
What's up,
this.
Bellagio?
Got the LVs.
Get the S55 back there.
Man.
I switched to a champagne toaster for sure.
How you like that sport look?
Man, I like
at
this.
Yeah, it doesn't look. Yeah,
The what?
sport looks. I
I
got
like
it from
this.
GLE, cause that Lambo moving fast. S class. G class. Hold on.
This is the cleanest GLE.
Where are the granola
Seats
bars?
never get sat in.
Granola bars.
I'm super clean about it. I use this one.
Yeah, I got it.
American Psycho's car. This is the one that was in the movie.
See, you got the.
Damn, hey, I didn't know you had the dual sunroof. The seat hugs you, bro.
You can adjust
You
all
can
this.
adjust
there's,
all that.
There's massaging. The seats will massage you.
So this is like, there's a screen. It's the Alpine one. I don't know if you guys seen it. The one I sent you. They have the screen for the Mazda. I was gonna put it on there, bro. It costs $800 just that.
Damn.
Yeah, I'm just gonna
You should do it.
I'm just gonna do it.
Do
Yeah.
it. Yeah.
All right, just like that, today's video is over. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button for more videos like this. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.